Drug-resistant tuberculosis is a significant problem among children. And although the biggest problem with children and drug-resistant tuberculosis is a lack of diagnosis, once they are diagnosed with drug-resistant TB, children face a difficult treatment journey. Although most of them are successfully treated for their drug-resistant tuberculosis, currently there are only adult tablets available to treat them. What this means is that these adult tablets have to be cut, crushed, and mixed, which can be a big challenge for people who are taking care of children. For the first time in the history of drug-resistant TB, there are now child-friendly formulations available of many of the second-line drugs. These formulations are scored and they're dispersible, which means they dissolve in water. In a few seconds, the tablet will disperse and the child can either drink it with water or another appropriate liquid, or take it with porridge or semi-soft food. Although it is generally recommended that the tablet be mixed in about 4 tablespoons of water, this amount may be too much for most children to take. For very young children or children who are very small, you can also prepare the dispersible tablets in a syringe. It's recommended that 5 cc's of fluid be placed in the syringe after removing the plunger. You will need to wear gloves during this preparation and to have liquid available nearby. Once the approximate 5 cc's has been placed into the syringe, it's easy. You just drop the tablet in the syringe. It will begin to dissolve, and you can confirm it by mixing it and shaking the syringe. You will need to rinse the syringe with water afterwards, and the child should consume that as well. These new formulations are set to revolutionize the treatment of children who are living with drug-resistant TB and ensure that they're able to achieve the best possible outcomes. For additional information on these formulations, which are currently available through the Global Drug Facility, please contact the Sentinel Project on Pediatric Drug-Resistant TB. Our email address is tbsentinelproject@gmail.com. And thank you for taking care of the children.